sit around 1 week, and I want you to be my one and only, my one and only.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dan OB. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. I create fashion, lifestyle, and beauty content. Please support me by subscribing to my channel, also liking this video and leaving a comment down below if you found this video entertaining or helpful in any way. So guys, it's been a minute since we did a try on haul. The last try on haul I did was a Shein try on haul, and thank you so much for the love of that video. I think it has like 2,000 views, but yeah, so I'm back at another Shein try on haul, and I just picked up a few pieces from Shein. If you don't know, I'm in Nigeria, so I actually just wanted to see if my stuff was going to come to be honest, so because I didn't know that Shein used to ship to Nigeria, but then I tried it out, yeah, and my stuff did come. So yeah, basically it took about 2 weeks for it to get to me. I think exactly 14 days, because I ordered it 29th of like June, and then it came like 12th or 13th of July. But yeah, it came pretty quickly. I didn't pay anything for shipping. I just paid for the items that I got. I didn't pay any customs fee or anything. Yeah, the only thing that I did was I had to order my stuff through another app, because if you're in Nigeria, you know that you can't buy stuff online with your Naira card. You have to like use, maybe if you have a domiciliary account, I think you can order stuff with that, or you have to use an alternative. So I used Barter by Flutterwave. It's an app, and basically like it had like a virtual dollar card, so I just put money in it and then I used it to order my stuff. But that has stopped functioning as well. So, yeah, when I ordered this stuff, which was like 3 weeks ago, it was working just fine. Everybody knows the current situation in Nigeria. Let's not dive into that. Let's just dive into wearing these items and showing you guys, okay? Yes, so yeah, the first item that I'm going to show you guys is this. Basically, this is the first thing. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll most likely have to be going back and like put this at a lower angle. Yeah, so this is the first thing that I got. If you watched my previous Shein haul, I actually got something like this before, but the texture was like quite different. But I got something like this before, and guys, I forgot it in Ukraine. So yeah, I had to order another one because clearly I really like it. I just like how simple it is. I love the shorts, and I also love this little crop top. I just love the whole set, to be honest. It's very nice, very comfy. You can wear it to, you know, stay at home, and you can probably even wear it to go out with like sneakers or something. Anyway, love it, highly recommend. Let me look for the size. Be a size small. I'm not sure. Okay, I got it in the size medium actually. Wow, it actually feels like it's small and it looks like it's small, but yeah, I guess I got it in a size medium. But yeah, I got it in a size medium and it was $7. Yeah, so yeah, let's move over to the next item. Okay guys, so the next item is this blue jean. I got these jeans in a size medium, okay, and I've never really had a problem with my sizing with jeans or anything that I buy, really, because I kind of know my size. Like, I know that I'm always a medium in jeans, but then it's always important to read reviews as well, because different like stores, different like ways they size, so it's very important to actually read your reviews. But I got it in the medium, and I checked the reviews, and the people that, you know, got it in a medium as well said that it's true to size, and the pictures I saw were also, you know, it was also looking good. So yeah, I decided to get this. I might have to use a belt, but apart from that, I think it's really nice. I got it for $19, and you know, let me show you guys. I want to show you guys how down looks. Okay, yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is how it looks down. Yeah, it's really, let's say, stretchy. Yeah, it's actually stretchy, but it's very like comfortable. Let's move over to the next outfit, which is a green top. I want to see how this green top is going to look on this little. I hope this is not transparent. It's transparent, guys. This top is transparent. This is the back of the top. I actually love the back of the top. It's very nice, but guys, the front is transparent. Oh, is it just me? I don't know. Is it just me? It's not. I don't know. Is it just me, guys? Is this thing transparent or is my eye? Because guys, I honestly like when I like get like tops, like all these small tops, I don't wear bras because I don't really see the need. So that's why like I barely wear bras on my top. But then if it's transparent, now I have to wear a bra. So I've been looking at myself. But yeah, if it's transparent, I have to wear a bra. But I don't know if it's transparent. I'm just going to leave it like this, show you guys in case it's not transparent. But yeah, this is the back of the dress anyway. Very nice. I love. It was $5. Oh, sorry, it was $6. Yeah, and I got it in a size small. I like getting my tops in a size small, or sometimes I get an extra small. Some of my shower tops are in extra small because I just like it. I feel like it suits me. So yeah, let's move over to the next. Okay guys, so this is the next item. I can't even begin to explain how much I love this halter. This is called a halter top, right? Yeah, but I can't begin to explain how much I love this top because I really love, I just love tops. I love tops that are so simple, and I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, totally love the design of this top. I love literally everything about this top. I love here, and it also has like these, like they're not buttons. I've forgotten what they're called. This is how you wear it. You just wear it like this and then you button it up, and yeah, the back is also a little, you know, show back. Show me your back. But yeah, I really like it. I'm so sure I got this in a size small, or maybe extra small. I got this in a size small. Guys, I don't think I got anything in an extra small this time. I got it for $5. I think it's really nice. You can wear this top with literally anything. You can wear it with jeans. You can wear it with like this type of blue jeans. You can wear it with like blue jeans and maybe heels or sneakers. Or you can also wear it with like black jeans. Like imagine it on black baggy jeans and then sneakers and like your sunshades or face cap or like a bucket hat or something. It's going to bang. Period. But yeah, this is the top. I really like it. Really love the texture as well. It's elastic as well. So let's move over to the next outfit. I'm going to wear I think I want to wear my leather pants. I want to show you guys like the bottoms are going to go well on this top. Guys, I decided to take the ripped black jeans. This is also from Shein. Love, absolutely. I don't know if it makes my ass look flat, but I don't care. Love. Yeah, so this is how it is. It's ripped at the knees, but it's very baggy, very nice. I honestly love it. This might be my new favorite jeans. Guys, I love black jeans. God, any type of black jeans, baggy, fitted, mom jeans, anything. I love black jeans so much, guys. Look, this is a whole look. It just needs like a pair of sneakers and you're good to go. Love. But yeah, I got this for drumroll $24, guys. $24 is actually not bad. It's actually not bad because after like I used the whole Shein code stuff, it was actually $20, so you took $4 off, which is not bad at all. But yeah, I'm running out of breath. This is the jeans, this is the top. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys will buy it. Hope you guys will, I don't know, use my code. Shein sponsor me so that you guys can use my code and get, you know, money off. But yeah, I really love these jeans, guys. Let me wear the leather pants on this top, so we'll see how that is going to look as well. Guys, these are the leather pants. Definitely makes a lot of noise while you're walking. It makes a whole lot of noise, but apart from that, it's not bad. I love the fitting. Let me see how much I got it. $19, so it's not bad. In a size medium. See guys, literally all my bottoms are size medium. I can't go large because it's going to be too big, and I can't go small because it's going to be too tight. But yeah, this is medium. It's a bit, here, but what do we do? How to manage it like that? I'm not so sure how it goes with this top. Might get another top to go with it, but yeah, I want to wear it on heels. Oh guys, let me show you these black heels I got. Guys, do you know that I don't have like heels that have straps? Honestly, I was shocked as well, because like I had black heels, like different sandals, like black heels, but straps, I just never really had them. I don't know, maybe I didn't really like them, but now I'm getting to like them. So I decided to get this. This was maybe like $20, $24. So yeah, really nice. Like the size is perfect. It's absolutely perfect. I got it in size 40, size 40 euro, and I'm a size 40. I'm a size 40 41. So it's like exactly my size. Let me just show you. Okay, let me do this. Yeah, so this is how it is. Ooh, I got like two other shoes. I got white heels, like white sandals. Yeah, so these are the shoes. I got them in the size 40 as well, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they're in size 40 as well. I have something like this, like exactly like this actually, but it's in color brown. I also showed you guys in my last Shein haul, and it's like size 43 or so. That was my mistake. Well, Shein is size 40. Yeah, it's like my perfect size, but a little bit tight. Okay guys, so I changed back to the black jeans because I wanted to show you guys this. Guys, I bought shoes on Shein. I got canvas on Shein. I don't know why I got these, to be honest, but I saw it and it was like $20, and I was like, I actually don't have white, like pure white canvas. I don't know why I got it, guys. I'm in Nigeria. Once I step out, this canvas is going to turn brown, but I still got it. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys. So I want to wear it on the jeans because I feel like it goes better. Size is 41, so my cover shoes are 41, and then my heels are smaller, 40. Yeah, but let me try it on, guys. Nah, this thing actually has to enter. Guys, this shoe is not my size. It's a size 41. Does that mean I'm a size 42? It's actually heartbreaking, can't even lie. It's in. It's in. But it's tight. So it entered, but it's really tight. I don't know if I can walk in it. I mean, I can, but not for long, obviously. Anyway, next thing I got is this bucket hat, guys. This bucket hat. I wanted a bucket hat because I don't know, I really like them. But this is very similar to Jack Moss. I think, yeah, it's called Jack Moss, right? I think that's the correct pronunciation. But this Jack Moss bucket hat that everybody is wearing, I really wanted to get that, but I don't know, it's like, I think it's like $200 or $300. I actually wanted to get it, but I saw this one, so I was like, okay, let me try this one first since it's so similar. This looks more like a beach hat, like all these. Or is it my hair? Is it nice? You guys, is it nice? It's looking weird to me. I don't know. But it's not really giving Jack Muscle, guys. But maybe I need to. That didn't turn out how I wanted it to. But yeah, I'm just going to move over to the next outfit. Oh guys, I actually got this bag. Oh, so this is like a tote bag. Very nice. Love it. It says necessary stuff on it. You can wear it with this. Oh my gosh, guys. Love it. You can actually wear it with this. Your shades. Yes. Actually looks really nice. You can carry literally anything inside. Your phone, whatever it is. I think you can also take this to the beach, I guess. Yeah. I think literally anything can fit inside. Even your laptop. I think your laptop can actually fit inside. Like, it's so big. Like, it's not that big, but you get now. Look at the size. Like, look at the ratio to my body. Very nice. But yeah, so this is the next outfit. Anyway, I got this jumpsuit with a coat in cream. I think this is cream, yeah. But I got it for $26 and I really like it because it has a cover. Ooh, it actually looks good. I actually really like it, guys. You can wear this with like your white shoes, but you could probably wear it with like sneakers or something. It's actually giving airport fits, like it's proper giving airport fits. But yeah, I really like it. I like the coat. I like the fact that it has a jacket as well in case you're cold, because you can see it's armless. Got it in a size medium. I actually got it in a size medium. I think I was a bit skeptical getting this because I felt like this chest area was going to be big, but it's not, and it actually fits me so well. I love it. Oh my god, I actually really love this. I love it. It also comes in different colors, but I decided to get this one because I don't know, I like it. It's neutral. Yeah, it's really cute. Thumbnail. So I got a couple of, not a couple, just two. I got like two swimwears, like two bikinis, and I'm going to try it on. I don't know if I'm going to add this, but I just want to see how it looks. So yeah, I'm going to try it on for you guys, and if it looks good, then I will add it to this haul. But if it doesn't, nope, this is the last haul you're going to be seeing. Okay. I love guys, I proper love this set. I was contemplating, it comes in black as well, but I was like, okay, should I get black or should I get white? I wasn't sure, but guys, I made the right decision. I honestly love, oh my god, I love. But yeah, it looks so good. I got this for $19, guys, but it was reduced to $16, and I got it in a size medium. Ooh, although the pants are a little bit tight, but I can't get it in a large. I just have to manage it. But yeah, I love it so much. You can just wear it, like, obviously this is a bikini. You can wear it without this to swim, or you can wear it like if you're on a boat, maybe on a yacht or something, cruising. Shake my ass. Nice long boat. So yes guys, that's all for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I really did. Trying on all the outfits was seems to be hectic. I think it's been like 1 hour, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 2k subscribers. Okay, 2k subscribers, please get me there. Then we'll get to 5k, then we'll get to 10k by his grace. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if you found this video entertaining, or if you have anything to say, or if you liked any of the pieces. Okay, but yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. It might be a haul, it might be a vlog, whatever. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to momsies. Come on.